happened to be a different case. I'm begging all of you, as we have been doing it, let us do it again.
PDP! Your Excellency, the incoming President of the Federal Government of Nigeria. Your Excellency, Honorable, Sorry. Take this great pleasure to welcome our incoming President and Vice Presidential candidates and the leadership of our party to Enugu, the home of Igbos. I want to inform you that since the inception of the current democratic dispensation, Enugu State has remained the greatest home of PDP. PDP Enugu yesterday, PDP Enugu today, yes, sir. PDP by the grace of God Enugu tomorrow. Yes, sir. We have always carried PDP as a banner with so much great pride. We have molded PDP as this democratic family, and I want to assure you that PDP is Enugu and Enugu is PDP. Yes, in a few days' time, we are going to have elections, and as our governor, our beloved and adorable governor would always tell us, when the polling units are won, what do? We've won the wards. When we win the wards, the local government is won. When the local governments are won, then of course the states are also won. Now, our job is to make sure that we go all the nooks and crannies of our communities and urge our people to come out and speak in one resounding voice at the elections and elect all our candidates from top to bottom, all our candidates. We're not going to see any candidate's name, but what we're going to see is the symbol of our great party. Let's ensure that we vote all our candidates in the forthcoming elections. Thank you very much. When I say APC, you will say hunger. When I say APC again, you say no cash. APC, no cash. APC, hunger. APC, no cash. Ladies and gentlemen, the good people of Enugu State, as everybody has said, Enugu is PDP, and PDP is Enugu State. Since we formed the party in 1998, Enugu has always voted PDP. PDP is in your DNA. And I believe in 2023, you are still going to vote PDP from top to bottom, from bottom to top, starting with the election that is coming up in the next 11 days. President Atiku will emerge as your president. Is it not so? Yes. With Igbos Okowa as his vice presidential candidate. I want to assure you that immediately after that, the governor is going to be Mr. Peter Mba, who will continue the legacy of the PDP in Enugu State. And I believe the development strides that we achieved under the PDP nationally and Enugu will continue. I don't have much to come here and campaign to you because it's like talking to the already converted. You are all believers in PDP. Those who are coming to deceive you to vote for the other party, called Labour Party, they are deceiving you because a vote for Labour Party is a vote for APC. And I can tell you that voting for APC will not solve the problem of Nigeria. Vote for PDP and let's continue all that we have been doing in Enugu under PDP so that Peter Mba will develop and work hand in hand with Atiku. And it's on that note that I'm happy today to invite our governor, Mr. Peter Mba, to come forward and collect this important flag of the PDP with the deputy and go around and congratulate you and one place for Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going now to the most important aspect of this program before we invite the next president of the Federal Republic to speak. I want to bring to our attention that the highest political office holder today of the PDP extraction in the southeast is here, and I want him to wave you, and that is the minority whip of the Senate, my brother, my colleague, distinguished Senator Utazi. Thank you very much. Because of time and protocol, PDP ndebe anyị ọnụma na ndị ma ihe si na ọwụwa anyanwụ wee bịa maka na anyị ndị amamihe na elekshọn nke a ga-eme on 25th anyị gosi na ndị amamihe maka na onye na-azọ prezidenti anyị kpọpụtara ebe a bụ ezigboto enyi ndị Igbo na ọ dị ka ọ dị taa bụ na o nyere aka mee maka ndị achọrọ ka anyị gaa n'iru ka ha were ọrụ nke anyị n'aka afa n'ọsọ dị Naịjirịa ọnya nwa kwụsịrị ya o wee dị ka o si ede anyị ga-eji uche wee kwuo ọkpa ka ọkpa were uche wee kwuo anyị ga-atụrụ ya vootu tụọrụ gọvanọ anyị tụọrụ ndị pati anyị niile na vootu ka anyị wee gaa n'iru maka anyị tụọ a ọ ga-adịla anyị na mma n'afọ a Jizọs. Thank you very much, Senator Utazi. Without wasting much of our time, we are going to invite
the next president to speak, but I want to prophesy that soon and very soon, we are going to Divina. Soon and very soon, we are going to Divina. Hallelujah. Soon and very soon, we are going to Divina. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. We are going to Divina. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to hear the voice of Atiku, raise up your hand. Yes, sir. If you want to hear the voice of Atiku, shout, the Lord is good. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have the pleasure to invite the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria by the grace of God, the man who is a friend to the Southeast, who is a friend to Enugu State, who is a friend to every Igbo man, who is a friend to every poor man, every rich man, every bureaucrat, unemployed, the youth. His name is Atiku.
Atiku for president, Atiku the unifier, one nation, one Nigeria. Atiku Atiku for president, Atiku the unifier, one nation, one Nigeria. Atiku Atiku for president.
Thank you. PDP! Power! Enugu people, I don't hear you. PDP! Power! PDP! Power! Power to the people! PDP! Let me again apologize to you for the delay in the commencement of this rally. We sincerely did not intend to keep you waiting too long. But because of the various protocols and the courtesy visits, that led us to come in here late. In spite of that, I want to say that I am very, very pleased with the attendance and the crowd I have seen here in Enugu today. Whoever says there is no PDP in Enugu is not saying the truth. There is PDP in Enugu, and Enugu has been PDP from inception and is still PDP today and will continue to be PDP. When I came here a few months ago to attend a zonal conference of the Southeast, I said to the Southeasterners or to the Igbos, I am going to be the stepping stone to an Igbo presidency. And I mean it. And I mean it. Whether an Igbo man is from the Southeast or from the South-South, it is the same race. And today, my running mate is an Igbo man. It is a universal ethnic group. It is a universal race. So, my fellow brothers and sisters, the people of Enugu State, I want you to continue believing in the PDP, and I want you to continue supporting the PDP, because PDP is Enugu and Enugu is PDP. I want to let you know that this country is geared towards electing a PDP government. Do not be an exception and do not be a minority. The next government in this country is going to be formed by the PDP. And therefore, as you have always been, be in the mainstream of Nigerian politics, because that is the only way that can bring about the prosperity, the economic development, the peace and the security you are looking for in this part of the country and also in country in general. So we want to thank you very much indeed for turning up in great numbers to witness this rally or to attend this rally And we promise you, Enugu State will continue to receive the required attention that it has always received. PDP! Power! PDP! Power! Power to the people! PDP! How many of you will vote for PDP? Raise your hands. Yes. I can see you there. You are not raising your hand. Are you not voting for PDP?
Yes, sir.
God bless you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We want to use the opportunity to appreciate the former governor of this state and former minister, Sir Jim Wongolo. We also want to thank special